Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a common Facebook issue that many users experience: notifications not working properly. Whether you're missing important alerts, not receiving any notifications at all, or getting them inconsistently, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Notification issues often stem from app settings, device permissions, or simple software glitches. First, let's check your Facebook notification settings. Open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu icon. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy Settings and Notifications. Here you can customize which notifications you receive and how they're delivered. Make sure your preferred notification types are enabled. If your settings look correct, let's check your device's notification permissions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps of Facebook and Notifications and ensure they're enabled. On iPhone, go to Settings of Facebook and Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Now, let's try force closing and reopening the Facebook app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view recent apps, find Facebook, and swipe it completely off the screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and check if notifications work. If you're still not receiving notifications, let's clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, Apps of Facebook Storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if notifications work. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your account information. For persistent issues, check if battery optimization is affecting notifications. On Android, go to Settings, Apps of Facebook, Battery Optimization and make sure Facebook isn't optimized. On iPhone, ensure background app refresh is enabled for Facebook. If you're using multiple devices, make sure you're not accidentally muting notifications on one device that affects all devices. Check notification settings on all devices where you use Facebook. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app. Before doing this, ensure you know your login credentials. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then download a fresh copy from your app store. I know how frustrating it is to miss important Facebook notifications, especially for messages, events, or important updates. One of these solutions should restore your notification functionality. For most users, checking device permissions or clearing app cache does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your Facebook notification issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.